Alright, I'm going to do a little video of changing the backhoe pattern control from John Deere to CAT or ISO to SAE, whichever it is. I know it's from John Deere control to CAT control, but I saw another video where somebody done it, so I'm just going to try it because I'm so used to my Mini X. It came, it's got the valve where you can change it, but it's so much faster in the CAT control than it is the John Deere pattern. So I'm going to try it and change it. Said you got to swap your two oranges, the two orange lines here and here, leave them in the same position, the one on top, the one on bottom, swap them with the yellows on the other side. Same thing, the one that's on top, leave it on top, but put it over here where the orange is. And while I'm doing it, I'm going to go ahead and change the outrigger control too, because I like to push the knobs forward to push them down and pull them back to pull the outriggers up. But I'm going to swap them too. And all you do is swap these two with the long elbows with the ones below it in the center with the two short elbows. You have to turn them a little bit to get them to go on there, which you see the little dots, the green dot and the white dot, which is the green lines and the white lines. You just swap up and down on the white and on the green. So here goes. It's 18 millimeter for all of these. Oh, before I started, I set my bucket on the ground. I also set my outriggers on the ground, and I disconnected my 3 quick connects up here where I know I'm going to lose a little bit of fluid, but it won't be that much. These needed checked anyway, they wasn't very tight. This is the orange bottom. See, it's leaking a little bit of fluid, but that's fine. I've got oil dry. Kitty litter does the same thing, but this is actually oil dry. That's what I bought it for. That's plenty. The bottom white. I said bottom white. I meant the bottom orange. Now the top orange. White is going to be the outrigger controls. I'm going to do them while I got these loose. Alright. Man, none of these are very tight at all. Where did my little wrench go? This is the green. This will be the right side outrigger. Looking backward is the right side. Alright, now I'm just swapping it to the bottom. Like I said, this is just the outrigger control. Wipe that off. I'm gonna leave it loose till I get the other one put on. Wipe it off. This is orange top. This is the green. This is the one that's going on top for the right side outrigger. Or like the guy in the other video said, these are stainless fittings, so they're very easy to cross thread, so make sure you screw them on with your fingers first. Alright, that one's on. And make sure they don't rub each other. Keep a little space in between them. I'm using a little stubby 18. Double check, I'm going to go over one more time. Top from this side, and it's going to go to the yellow top on the other side. And this is the orange bottom from this side. It's going to go to the yellow bottom on the other side. Like I said, they stayed in the same place. The one that's on top stays on top, the one on the bottom stays on bottom. And there is slack in these hoses, so you got plenty. Alright, the battery died on me, but I got that started. I got a new battery, got it snugged up. Now it's tight. I can put the top one on. Wipe it off. Feels like it's Started now. Just gotta be careful with those stainless fittings. Go back and tighten this one up. I'm loosened to get that other one on. Check these others. And that's it. I need to clean this thing, pressure wash it. I haven't cleaned it in a while. Spray it off, but I haven't really cleaned it. Been using it so much. Everything's tight. We'll give it a try now. Let's see what it does. I didn't show it, but I checked for leaks and I moved the backhoe, got it out of the sun where I could test it out. But I did hook my quick connects back up. I didn't show that, but anybody with one of these knows how to disconnect their backhoe fittings, hoses. So let's give this thing a try. Perfect. Exactly the way I wanted it. Now the Mini X and the backhoe's in the same pattern, which the Mini X you can change, but who would ever want to change it to John Deere controls anyway? Anyway, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching.